Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you are doing good. It's your Sham with another video helping you to turn your trading journey into success. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the support and resistance. And support and resistance are undoubtedly two of the most highly discussed terms of the technical analysis and part of analyzing the chart patterns. And if you see any TV channels, any discussion without the support and resistance, it will not be completed. So without any ado, let's jump into the video. Yep, welcome back. So if you see this building, okay, it is constructed by one on one, right? So they'll not construct straight away 5th floor or 6th floor. They'll start with the ground floor and first floor and second floor, third floor. They are taking support of the lower levels, right? In the same way, the stocks also move from the ground floor to first level and second level, third level, so on. Okay, while coming down also, it is coming in a way of like breaking the first resistance, second resistance, third resistance, and it will reach finally S1, S2, S3, like ground floor and basement cellar, something like that. Okay, so if you see this example, it will be the best example for the to explain the support and resistance levels. Okay, and when you demolish a building, definitely if you try to demolish the building roof, it will not break with one kick, right? One hit. Okay, we have to hit at least twice or thrice, at least if it is a very strong building, so we have to put lot of efforts to break that levels. Okay, the same kind of a way from the support levels, once the stock is going upward direction, if it is a weak resistance, definitely it will be breaking with one hit at the levels of resistance. Okay, if it is a strong resistance, definitely it will try to hit it or crack it at least 2 to 3 times or 4th time also, even 5th time also. It's based on the levels of and the stock and the other factors also, lot of factors also. Okay, so this is a basic support and resistance example. We'll go to the next slide. Okay, so in this example, as we discussed, the stock is taking support at these levels. Okay, what is the support means in textbook meaning? Support occurs where a downtrend is expected to pause here. Okay, we are expecting a pause at here due to concentration of demand. Okay, many traders or investors are willing to buy at this level for the particular stock or indices at these levels, so that is called support. Okay, so once the price came to this level, it will bounce back immediately because there is a heavy demand at these levels. Okay, so this basically support, the meaning of the support. Okay, and the resistance point here, the price is continuously getting rejected and lot of traders or investors are willing to sell their stocks or holdings at these levels. Okay, so that's why this resistance line has been formed. Okay, and once it is broken with the one first time and second time, this is the third time it breaks these levels. Okay, then once it is break the level and went up, then the resistance will become again support. Okay, so in this example you can see this, the stock is again taking support at this previous resistance. Now it has become support for this stock or indices also, or underlying asset, any whatever you call. Okay, so again it is taking support at this level and again going up. The same story will repeat like this. Okay, so this is basically the support and resistance. Hope you understand well. And let's see the live example. This is the SBI chart, daily chart I have taken, and I have drawn already some support levels. Actually at 250 level, it is continuously taking support and bouncing back. This is the first time and second time and third time, but of course 10 points before only it's taken the support. Maybe some unfilled orders or fund houses and all these things. I told you, right, lot of factors will influence at these levels actually. Okay, and we can take it as a zone, not in the line. Some stocks like within 10 to 15 or 20 points range will be there. That range will be act as a support or resistance range also, and that is also called as a supply zone and demand zone also. That is a different theory which is related to support and resistance only basically. Okay, and this is the another level, it's taking the support. Okay, let's go to the resistance zone. Okay, so this is the Reliance daily chart. It continuously at this price it is getting rejected. The supply is more at this level, so it is coming down once and twice and thrice also. This is the fourth time and fifth time also it is coming resistance. So at this time it's exhausted and not able to break the upper level, so it's calmly going down like this. Okay, so this is the live chart example, and let's see on the chart itself how to draw the support and resistance. Okay, this is again Reliance daily chart. I'm trying to draw the support levels and resistance as well. Okay, this I'm finding this line 1 2 3 at these levels it is finding a good support. Okay, and then next this one also, once, twice, thrice, and fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, almost seventh time. Many times it's tested at these levels. Okay, and then my next level would be here. Okay, and then the resistance. So this one resistance, I'm changing the color. Okay, and then here also, because it's a once and twice and thrice. Look at this. Okay, many times it has taken as a support also, because our resistance will become support once the price went up. And then this is the another level, and this is the another level. This is the last, most probably this is the all-time high. Okay, so this is how we can draw the support and resistance lines. So if you want to trade on intraday basis, go to 1 hour or 2 hour or 4 hour chart also, and then make an entry in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. That makes sense actually. Okay, and you can use whatever the indicators you require. If you use RSI, stochastic, or Bollinger Bands, whatever you call, you can utilize that indicators. You can mix and match and take the result also. End of the day, we have to make money, guys. That's a whole story all about actually. Okay, if we are not able to make money, there is no sense learning all these things. Okay, end of the day, making money is our motto in the stock markets by learning a proper manner. Okay, and then go to the next. So there will be no use if you just listen this video and go ahead for another video. What you will do is, if you are not that much familiar with the trend lines or support and resistance, go back to the video again, check it out how I drawn the videos and all that. You just check it out again and take 5 to 10 stocks, draw a support and resistance level, and check it out further coming week how the levels work, whether it is working or not, or stop loss hitting, whatever it's happening. You just observe that, at least do it for 3 to 4 months, then you'll come to know easily what is the chart patterns, what is the resistance, what is the support, and by seeing it you can identify the resistance levels also if you practice with that. Okay, so practice makes man's perfect, so it will be very much applicable to our stock markets also. Okay, and we have some other indicators also, which is give the support and resistance also. That is, first thing is moving average. Let's see how the moving average will gives you the support and resistance. Okay, just I'm plotting one indicator, that is moving average. I'll just take it as a 200 moving average. So let's see how it is gives the support and resistance. So once it is breaking, it will act as a support, as we learn. Okay, so from this level I'll keep the stop loss thing low here. I can take entry, and this is how the support works, and these are the resistance also. Price is not able to break these levels. Okay, this is how we can use moving average as a support and resistance tool. Okay, then next pivot points, I'll show you that also. Pivot, I'll remove historical. This is 1 hour. Let me change into lower time frame, that is 5 minutes. We can see how beautifully it is showing the resistance and support levels. Okay, at these levels it's continuously rejecting, so price is not able to move further, so it's came down and taking the support here once and twice also, and these the also same level it's got taken the support. Okay, and then next Fibonacci, we have made a beautiful video on Fibonacci. You please go and watch it once at least, so that you'll clearly understand that what is Fibonacci and all this. So you can see this once and twice it has taken the support from here, so you can fix up the targets also at these levels. The target is done, first target, and this is the second target, this is the third target, this is the fourth. While you're trailing your stop loss also, it will be useful, and it will act as a super support and resistance levels. No need to find manually also by drawing the trend lines and all this stuff. It will already automatic. This is a simple zero the chart and upstock and lot of basic broker chart will be available with this, and Gann numbers also will, and Caramel, a lot of members use lot of kind of things. These are the some of the indicators which will give us ready-made support and resistance, but as per my personal opinion, drawing manually will be the best and number one leading indicators, I can say that. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the below. Looking for your trading success, your Shyam. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, and if you like my efforts, please go and hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.